Hello everyone, I'm Primrose C. Katamisan, and today I will discuss the contemporary foreign and economic policies of Japan. Japan is a highly developed island country in East Asia. It is known for its advanced technology, a strong economy, and active role in maintaining peace and stability in the Asia-Pacific region. Japan's foreign policy is guided by three main goals. First is strengthening alliances, especially with the United States for defense and security. Promoting peace, democracy, and rule of law in the Asia-Pacific region. And third is contributing to global cooperation on issues like climate change, development, and humanitarian aid. Japan values diplomacy, stability, and partnership. It avoids conflict and support peaceful dialogue between nations. In recent years, Japan has become more active in regional and global affairs. Continues its close security partnership with the United States and has increased cooperation with countries like Australia, India, and South Korea through the Quad Alliance. Japan also plays a leading role in ASEAN cooperation and in supporting Ukraine and global peace efforts. It has also worked to improve defense capabilities, including new defense spending plans to better respond to regional threats from North Korea and China. Overall, Japan's foreign policy combines strong alliances and peaceful diplomacy. Japan's economic policy focuses in innovation, stability, and sustainability. Its main goals are: first is surviving economic growth through technology and digital transformation. Second, promoting green energy to fight climate change. And third is improving productivity to support its aging population. Japan aims to build a strong, innovative economy that remains global competitive while also protecting its environment and people. Recently, Japan has implemented new policies under the New Capitalism Agenda, which focuses on balancing economic growth with social equality. The government has invested in semiconductors, renewable energy, and digital infrastructure. It also provides support to business to adapt to green technologies and artificial intelligence. To maintain economic security, Japan has made efforts to reduce dependence on single suppliers and strengthens partnership with trusted alliance. Even though Japan faces challenges like low population growth and rising prices, it remains one of the world's most stable, innovative economies. In conclusion, Japan's contemporary foreign and economic policies shows its commitment to peace, cooperation, and modernization. Its foreign policy builds alliances and promotes global stability, while its economic policy focuses on innovation and sustainability. Through these policies, Japan continues to play a vital role as a global leader in both diplomacy and technology. Thank you for listening.